Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. Maybe you're doing this a little earlier than Friday, or maybe you're doing it Sunday. So happy whatever day it is. I hope this week is looking beautiful with weather. So if you wanted to get it all done on Monday, I don't blame you. Okay, so these are your answers to the follow-up questions. I'm going to highlight a few things that I want to point out. You are correcting in a different color pen, okay? So first thing I want to point out is for this one that you had your 6 in the first spot for your A1 and 4 in the second spot for your common ratio. That's your formula. So I should see this written down as your formula. All right, let me use a different color here. And then you use that formula to find the 10th term. So I should see A of 10 and a 10 up there with the same formula. Okay, and then when you plug that all in, your answer was 1,572,864. Nice big old number there. All right, for question 2, your A1 was 128 and your common ratio was 1/4. I should see the 128 in the first spot and the 1/4 in the second spot for your formula. So this should be your formula right here. And then you go ahead and use that formula down here to find the 5th term. So you just plug in A of 5 and then the 5 should be right there. When you go ahead and plug that into your calculator, you would have gotten 0.5 or 1/2. Okay? I'm just going to do a quick check. If you're not getting these because your calculator, I want to make sure you're plugging that in right. So 128 parentheses, 1/4 could be 1 divided by 4, or you could put a 0.25 there. Raised 2, so caret, 4th power. There's your 0.5 if you wanted that as a fraction. Math, enter, enter. All right. And then question 3 was just worded differently, but the same information was given to you. So they said that they want the 7th term in a geometric sequence that has a first term of 3, so A1 of 3, and a common ratio of 2. So I have that here. So my A1 of 3 goes in the first spot, as you can see, and my common ratio of 2 is right there. And then they wanted you to find the 7th term in the sequence. So that's just where I'm going to be plugging in 7 for my n, here and here. And then my 7th term, when you plug all that good stuff in, becomes 192. All right? So that one just looks a little different because you don't have the sequence in front of you there. But same rules apply and same information. So hopefully you were able to get that. All right, I should see stars on your paper if it was perfect. And if it wasn't, I should see corrections. And both are perfect for me. I'm happy when you guys correct your work. Don't think that we expect all stars, okay? We actually hope to see your corrections because that way we know you're learning and you actually are doing these on your own first. So hopefully you're doing that. All right. Have a fabulous weekend, everybody, or fabulous night's sleep if this is Sunday night. But I will see you all next week. 2 more weeks to go. We got this.